After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Please subscribe Brit in the Philippines.
Thank you. Some young ladies have come down here. As you can see at the end, there's some ladies eating and having a drink. They're using this pool here as like a fridge. They put all the bottles. I thought it was rubbish, but it's people had to put the water in and that. I didn't realise there's a slide here. They're putting the bottles in the pool to keep their water cold. And there's loads of shade here, guys. If it was a bright sunny day and hot, it'd be nice because it's cool up here in the mountain, and there's, like I say, there's plenty of shade, so you're not going to need an umbrella. I think there's somebody else coming down the slide in a minute. As soon as I turn the camera away, they'll come down. I don't know what they've made that slide out of, but it's not something pre-bought, that is for sure. They've made it. So Ralph's going to gut the fish. He's getting the ingredients to put inside the fish. Oh, you got 2? I thought you only just got 1.
No, bro.
It's still alive, look. No, it's not. Looked like it was moving its fins then. Probably just the water. So it's pretty clean, unless there's any houses in between, of course, and you know where I'm going with that one. It's starting to rain, guys, so I might have to move. As you can see, he's chopped the tomato and garlic. Is that all you're putting in it, Ralph? Tomato and garlic?
No, just onion.
Oh, onion.
Garlic, so I forgot to buy garlic. Onion.
That's garlic.
I forgot to buy onion.
I don't know for how long. See, these two are very helpful. Very, very helpful. As most Filipinos are. You know, if you're a foreigner and you're around Filipinos, it's very unlikely you'll have to do a thing because they'll do it all for you. They're great. Which is just as well for me because I'm a bit lazy. We'll see what happens anyway. It is raining, but it's not raining hard yet. But I think the heavens are going to open up.
Go here, please, with a lot of girls. Here.
Are you a bit of a gigolo?
Yes, I've been to a gigolo. My dream is go here with a lot of girls. Maybe 10 girls, and we have only 2 boys.
There you go, guys. Alyssa knows how to stop a fish.
Yeah, I know a lot of things.
And Ralph's telling me that he knows how to do it better. Here's a pussycat looking for food. What?
There's a pussycat there. It is much better to put some.
Yeah, but I like my fish stuffed with onion.
Onion. It's 4-second one, Kuya Chris.
Harap lang.
Another one yan. Hindi mo na daw.
So how much was the fish, Ralph? It's 90 pesos a kilo.
90 pesos per kilo.
How much is this one?
So I reckon that,
Almost 1.5.
yeah, I was going to say it's just over a kilo.
There's another one.
So you can't get much pressure in these fish, guys. It's swimming about this morning. No, it's not.
Ay, dahil mo nalaga ng asin, magic sarap yan.
Inong magic syrup?
Yan, sa plastic.
Oh, that magic syrup is bad, guys.
Oh, we forgot to put an magic syrup.
Yung guman, nasa na itong
It's not good.
Alin?
Try to avoid anything with that in it. There you go, professional stuffer. Look, we're just about to go out. It had sort of stopped. We're taking all the chairs back. Now look, I got caught out in it. I'm so... But it's all fun. Melissa's getting ready to swim. I think Ralph's going to swim. I think the fish are about burnt. Because he's not watching them. God. Oh, it's...
No.
Kuya Chris is so, what you call that? You're okay.
Where did you?
Push.
Because you are a...
Kuya Chris is so bully.
Okay, she'll get over it.
You're so bully, Kuya Chris.
Thank you.
You're so bully.
That's compliment.
Oh.
Are you having fun?
I am having fun. I always have fun. It's great. And it's brightened up a bit as well, so that's nice. What's that plant there, look, Ralph? The red.
It's called Avatar plant.
Okay.
Yes, I saw it in the Avatar. You saw what? You already?
Oh yeah, the avatar. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
you already. I know. Watch the video Avatar. One of the plants coming from Avatar.
Yeah, that's true. Very good. Very good.
You already. I
So
know.
how's the water? Is it nice and warm? My God.
Very cold, but it's...
Oh, you're gonna bury yourself in the water. That's it. You know when you come out in that wind.
It's so
makes it
very
really cold.
relaxing here, and it's not too expensive to here.
No, 70 pesos, guys.
70 pesos, guys.
Oh, it
You
is
will
entrance.
swim here unlimited.
250 if you have one of these, what's it called?
Cottage.
Cottage.
And it's so very near here from
Yeah,
Naga City.
25 minutes away from Naga in the car.
Yes.
And look, it's lovely and warm again.
Yeah. A lot of people sometimes go here. But now it's not because
It's a weekday. It's not a
weekdays.
weekend. Weekend this will be full.
Yes. And the water also is very clean because it's running.
Yeah.
Running water, no chlorine. It's all natural.
It's coming from the mountain.
Yes, it's coming from the falls and mountains. There's no chlorine. This water is so very clean.
You could drink it.
You can drink it if you want.
No.
No, because there's a lot of there's a lot of
naughty
minerals.
people.
No, yes, a lot of minerals. But Chris, Chris, it's so clean than other resort.
Oh yeah.
Because that other resort, they have a plenty of chlorine.
You've got to put chlorine in, otherwise it goes green.
Yes.
The algae.
But here, it's so natural because it's running water. Running water, they just flow it. Just flow it.
Yeah, it's cool. Look, Ralph's in the distance. He's just dove into the pool. It's so cold. Now the lady over there in the blue, I think, I'm not sure, is her mother. I think she's maybe, and again guys, there's no ulterior motive here. I'm just saying, I try to guess the age, right? I think she's probably younger than I'm thinking she is. She's probably 18, 19. That's her mum. I'm sure that's her mum in the blue. The dark blue, by the way. Look at Ralph. He's jumped in now. So we're about ready to wind up now, guys. We've been here quite a few hours. It's been brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I mean, look, it doesn't matter whether it's raining, sunny, whatever. If you're in the right place with the right people, you're going to have an amazing time here. An amazing time. So if you're coming over to the Philippines, I wish you the best of luck. I hope you've picked the right family. I hope you picked the right girl. And I hope you have a wonderful time. Thanks to all my patrons and my members. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And if you would like to support the channel, membership, Patreon, blah blah blah, or you could just send us a coffee through Super Thanks, which is below this video. We appreciate it. But if you can't afford it, we understand. Just watch the video from beginning to end, guys. If you don't like the video, then just go and have a coffee while it runs, please. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video. Say goodbye, Melissa.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.